great lamas like Lama Tarchin, Thinley Norbu Rinpoche, they, through the manifestation of their activities, their mind connection with those who have met them, and the mind connection with those that either love them or hate them, doesn't make any difference. Who are attracted or averted, are affected by the profundity of the truth that they emanate. And as we learn in the Buddhist teachings, for great beings, they are always available. The Dharmakaya manifestation, without beginning, without end, is always available for us to have faith in, for us to learn from, and as they have always said, so we can be like them. And when they say, so we can be like them, we're not talking about their personality. We're not talking about having their same taste in food or their same taste in anything. It's so we can be like them. Awake. And easiest way for people like us who have a connection with people like them, so to speak, is not to be separate. And that's actually the subject of this weekend, Guru Yoga. Union, the yoga part, and Guru, the Guru in Sanskrit literally means heavy. It's an odd term. So we can have union with that which is heavy, and the heavy is the responsibility and the profundity. What great beings do is they show us how to be great beings. They point out in all their various ways how to be a great being. And how do you be a great being? Well, first of all, you have to forget about your Jain-ness or your Samness or your Olga-ness. The greatness is when there's no attachment to our name, our idea of ourself. And we go beyond just wanting to become somebody, and especially somebody different. Thinley Norbu Rinpoche composed a Cascading Waterfall of Nectar as a gift to his numerous students in the West and in Asia for this time, and for future beings who wanted in one small, compact, little book, a complete guide to enlightenment. And Cascading Waterfall of Nectar is his gift to us.